This is an installation by Studio Superflux, and it's called INVOCATION for HOPE. And the idea of this installation began when we were looking a lot at how we need to change our perspective around the climate crisis in order to navigate this predicament that we find ourselves in. And as we look more and more into it, we realize we need to start to think about ourselves as one amongst many other species on this planet. And so we wanted to bring that idea in a very tangible and in a very experiential way into the museum. And so we decided to do it by reenacting this journey from our current destructive behavior on the planet in what we call the Anthropocene, to move from that towards a hopeful future where we as humans are living in interdependence with other species on the planet. So when you enter the exhibition and the installation, you are surrounded by this kind of burned black pine trees arranged in a grid, which is symbolic of the way in which current monoculture forests exist. And we actually salvage these wildfire trees from a forest near Vienna. And then when you come to the middle, you find yourselves in a resurgent forest.
So we really want it to be a multi-sensory experience. So when you come into this space, you can really smell the earth, you can hear the animals and the birds. And then if you walk over to the pond, you can look in and you might see a surprise within the pond. We really want it to be kind of full of magic and intrigue.
I think this is one of the kind of installations that you really need to experience in person. So I really hope you can visit the Mak and get to spend some time here, maybe even pick a strawberry on your way out.